guys, today we're gonna unbox a Crazy Erin Thinking Buddy. I'm so excited. I've literally never had one of these before, and my mom just surprised me with one. I'm literally so excited. It's the Aurora Sky one, and I got it off Amazon. Well, my mom got it off Amazon. I'm so excited. I was literally about to make her buy me 4. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It's so hard to get out. Like, oh, it's so sparkly. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I'm covering the camera a bit, but got it out. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. It's so good. Oh my gosh. It's a bit tough right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna soften. Can you hear that ASMR? It's so good. And I'm gonna make my mom, don't tell her, buy me the Better Butter and the Waterfall one, because I've been really wanting those two. Like, literally. And it's so good. Definitely go and buy Crazy Erin's Thinking Buddy. It's so good. Like, amazing. Let me just give you guys some ASMR. Wait, I'm gonna go near the mic so that you can hear it. Oh, 1 sec. Let me give it some swirls so that it'll give you guys amazing ASMR. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. And it apparently glows in the dark. So let's take you guys somewhere dark so that we can test this out. Wait, let me close the door. Whoa, do you guys see that? It's green, it's glowing. Wait, where is it? Where is she? Wait, it's not glowing. She's not glowing. What? It's right there. It's not glowing. Did we get scammed? Or, I don't know, guys, comment down below. But I definitely 100,000,000% recommend for y'all to buy Crazy Erin's Thinking Buddy. And the 2 I recommend is either like the normal like putty or the Better Butter. Those 2 are the best things on earth. And yes, it is better than slime. It's way better than slime. And it also doesn't dry out, which is so cool. And it's just so good, and it's kind of addicting. Oh, it's so good. Do you hear that? So definitely recommend. And see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be my Squeeze Luck Mellow Squish, and maybe a little bit more Target for more Crazy Erin's Thinking Buddy. And I'm probably gonna get Better Butter. And I'm not gonna spoil the Mellow Squish and Squeeze Luck, but that's coming. I'm making my own mom order for me. So yeah, definitely recommend. Go buy it right now. Definitely.